Hey, what's up, everyone? First off, I want to say thanks for pushing play on that video. Thanks for clicking that link. I know this internet world, there's a lot going on around you. You could be anywhere, but you actually push play on this video. So, quick introduction. My name is Buddy from Northwest Washington. I'm a father of 5, and I'm a husband, and I've been in this work from home niche for about 10 years now. So, you know what's crazy? My team and I, we're in this program where you can actually get $1,000 cash commissions delivered to your porch. You know, what would $1,000 cash do for you and your family? Okay, so that's why I'm actually here. I'm inviting you to come check out what we're doing. And if you're here because of the pro version, the cash in the mailbox, my details are down below. My phone number and the Facebook Messenger. You can actually connect with me there and just ask for the next steps. And for everybody else, I'm a part of a $25 program which pays you 100% commissions residually. Also, I'm here to invite you to come meet our mentor, and don't go anywhere because there's actually some really cool incentives. There's actually a bonus for actually just checking out what we're doing. Okay, so I've been actually following a millionaire mentor for a little while now, and he's actually giving away cash out of his own pockets. I'm doing a $100 cash drawing every night, Monday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 5 p.m. Pacific Time, depending on where you're at. Just show up, and you're giving away $100 cash every night to a random winner, and that could be just for a new person that just show up. Congratulations to Wayne, he won tonight. Last night, Ricardo, he won $100 cash. It was his first time meeting up with us, and he was actually the winner of the cash drawing. So that could actually be you. So this is a win-win. There's no qualifications, there's no strings. You just have to show up and take a look at what we're doing. And how you're going to do that, there's a form down below here. Put your name and your email below, and it's going to actually bring you to a presentation page. Create a free account. You're going to get the details about the meeting sent to you in the email, and then just show up, and you could be that lucky winner. And if this isn't for you, then totally cool. Thank you for stopping by. At the very least, you could walk away winning that $100 at the end of the night. So, like I said, it's a win-win. There's no other leaders, mentors out there that are doing anything like this. $100 cash given away every single night. There's actually going to be a $10,000 drawing coming up for members coming up here shortly, within a month or two, also with this program. So I know that there's no program, other opportunities doing anything like this out there in this internet opportunity world. So you're actually in the right place at the right time, and I'm inviting you to come check it out. So you know what to do. Just fill the info in down below. Create a free account. You'll get the details to that meeting on the next steps. And if you're looking to go pro with me to start getting those $1,000 cash commissions to your mailbox, just contact me one of those ways below, Messenger or my phone, and ask for the next steps. But at that, I thank you guys for taking the time to actually watch this video with me. It's nice meeting you guys, and I look forward to seeing more of you in the future. And congratulations in advance for taking yourself to that next level. So at that, this is Buddy. I'm signing out. Thank you guys for watching. You guys know what to do. God bless.